Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Sommysab FullStack. My name is Sommysab Sabude. You can just call me Sab, and here we'll cover everything you need to know to become a full-stack software developer. When you hear the term full stack, especially as a beginner, the first thing that comes to mind is knowledge of front-end and back-end development. Front-end is the part of the website you see and interact with on a daily as a user. And back-end is the hidden part that handles processing and responding to user requests from the front end. But once you dive deeper into web development, you realize there's a whole lot more to the world of full stack. Things like hosting, deployment, automation, and monitoring are just as crucial as the app itself. Take a quick look at job description on LinkedIn, for instance. You see companies ask for front-end skills like React, back-end skills like Node.js, or full stack experience. And then, somewhere in the fine print of that JD, they will mention things like scripting, testing, DevOps, cloud deployment on AWS, GCP, or Azure, and they are often marked as a plus or desirable. That's when you realize that to truly stay competitive as an engineer today, you need more than just front-end or back-end. You need a broader skill set to actually thrive. Now, I know opinions vary. Some people will say, why become a full-stack developer and risk having shallow knowledge across many areas? Why not specialize in one? And honestly, the argument makes sense, but I still beg to differ, and here is why. Imagine 10 companies hiring, 4 need front-end engineer, 3 needs back-end engineer, 2 needs DevOps, and 1 is hiring full-stack engineer. As a front-end specialist, you're eligible to 4 roles, back-end 3, DevOps 2. But a full stack, you can apply for all the 10 opportunities. You are not locked into one narrow track like the rest of the application. You are very flexible. And once you land the interview, your chance increases even more. These days, interview question tends to follow similar patterns, and a little preparation can actually go a long way regardless of how specialized you are in the role. Then even better, once you get hired, you're often surrounded by more experienced colleagues who are willing to mentor you, and you'll be able to learn faster on the job and while getting paid, growing your skill day by day. Another advantage of being a full stack is if you want to launch your own project or startup, you won't be stuck waiting to hire a team or anyone specialized. You can quickly prototype an idea, build an MVP, test, fail fast, and iterate without massive upfront costs. A full stack gives you the independence and the creative power that typical specialists will most likely not have. I've been in software development for several years now, and it's been a journey full of highs and lows, from thriving at a company A to starting from scratch and trying to prove myself at company B, trying to gain some trust as a newbie, sort of. Throughout it all, one thing remains clear. Sharing knowledge and being transparent makes things better with time. That's why I decided to start this channel. Not only to challenge myself and grow, but also document my journey and help others grow along the way. Here is what you can expect from this channel, and they include building custom management system with platforms like Shopify, WordPress, and Adobe Magento, plus creating their plugins and Chrome extensions. We will go deep dive into web development fundamentals and explore front-end technologies like React, Vue, and Angular. On the back-end side, we'll build with Node.js, my favorite, Golang, Python, and PHP. We'll also be exploring blockchain as backend, serverless architecture with AWS, and deployment pipelines. Then we'll have career advices, tips and tricks, and real-world lessons I've learned as a professional engineer. In short, I will do my best to take you from the very scratch to become a hero, from the first step to professional mastery. For my first serial, I'll be launching Web 101, an introduction to web development fundamentals. If you find value here, please don't forget to like, share with friends and colleagues, and please subscribe to really help support the channel and really boost my motivation to help keep sharing amazing content for you guys. So till then, I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye for now.